Poutama supports whānau to successfully navigate the passage from childhood to adulthood alongside their teenagers. It's community-led and open to all peoples. Our vision is Aotearoa alive, with motivated, happy, resilient young men and women who feel connected to their culture, community and environment. We aim to bring out the best in our teenagers, celebrating their unique gifts, instilling a sense of belonging and inspiring a belief that they can shape the health and vibrancy of their world. Within the kaupapa of Poutama is our men's coming-of-age journey, Poutama Tāne. Poutama Tāne combines mātauranga Māori, outdoor adventure and the philosophy of non-violence to form rites of passage experiences for teenage boys. The inaugural Poutama Tāne journey took place in the 2015 July school holidays, where 9 local tama, their whānau and significant tāne were welcomed to the Kōkiri Centre in Whaingaroa, Raglan. Whānau farewell their boys, and tāne and tama start breaking down personal barriers, getting to know and trust each other. Traditional Māori karakia and ceremony help the boys put down the ideas and distractions of the outside world and prepare for the journey ahead. Tama set intentions and establish tikanga that will hold them together as a whānau throughout their adventure. Both symbolically and physically, the boys separate from their everyday world, paddling into the unknown. Tama are encouraged to look into themselves while connecting to Māori culture and the incredible feats within its voyaging history. Boys test and explore their power while looking into the relationship between mana tāne, masculinity, and mana wahine, femininity. Tama identify the differences between boy and man, child and adult, and the new responsibilities that manhood entails. Tama spend time alone in the wilderness, an opportunity to farewell the boy and welcome in the man. Whānau and friends pōwhiri the young men in tāne home, reuniting with loved ones and the community. The community celebrate the boys' leadership and growth, instilling self-belief and confidence in the young men. Poutama Tāne Rites of Passage journeys will provide meaningful experiences for teenage boys that meet their needs for challenge, autonomy, acceptance and aroha, while drawing their community in around them to create a safety net reinforced with the skills and understandings necessary to navigate the passage into manhood. The Poutama Tāne vision is to see all boys make the transition to become motivated, responsible and resilient young men who are positive about the future and will make the best possible contribution to their communities and wider world.